Hello everyone, myself Dr. Shweta from Rudan University. Today in this presentation we'll be discussing mainly about seminal vesicle, which is a main male pelvic organ. Coming to all male pelvic organs, the male reproductive organs that lie within pelvic cavity include ductus deferens, seminal vesicles, ejaculatory ducts and prostate gland. These organs are all important in the transportation and protection of sperm cells as they move from testis to eventually reach the penis. Seminal vesicles. The seminal vesicles are two small glands that store and produce a majority of fluid that makes up semen. During ejaculation, the fluid from seminal vesicles is expelled into the ejaculatory duct where it can then move on to mix with sperm and other reproductive fluids. They release 70% of total semen. Anatomical position and structure of seminal vesicles. The seminal vesicles are located in the pelvis superior to rectum, inferior to fundus of bladder and posterior to the prostate. Each seminal vesicle lies lateral to an ampullae of the vas deferens. A seminal vesicle ultimately converging with an ampulla to form ejaculatory duct. The most important anatomical relation is with the vas deferens, which combine with a duct of the seminal vesicle to form ejaculatory duct which sequentially drains into prostatic urethra. Internally, the gland has a honeycombed lobulated structure with a mucosa lined by pseudostratified columnar epithelium. These columnar cells are highly influenced by testosterone, growing taller with higher levels, and are responsible for production of seminal secretions. Embryology of seminal vesicles. The seminal glands, along with ejaculatory ducts, epididymis, ductus deferens, are derived from mesonephric ducts and precursor structure of male internal genitalia. These structures can be easily be remembered using synonym SEED. S means seminal glands, E means ejaculatory ducts, in which epididymis represents another second E, and ductus deferens represents last-D. Function of seminal vesicles. The secretions of seminal gland, as we discussed before, have a key role in normal functioning of semen, making up 70% of its total volume. It is notable, however, that the first fractions of expelled semen contain mainly spermatozoa and prostatic secretions. The fluids from the seminal vesicles are included in the late ejaculate fractions. These fluid contains alkaloid fluid, fructose, prostaglandins, clotting factors. The remaining volume of semen is made up of testicular spermatozoa, prostatic secretions, and mucus from bulbourethral gland. Blood supply. Arteries to the seminal vesicles are derived from inferior vesicle, internal pudendal, and medial rectal arteries, all of which stem from internal iliac artery, like how you can see in this diagram. Innervation. Nerve innervation of the seminal vesicles comes from hypogastric nerves and the inferior hypogastric plexus. In males, the prostatic plexus derives from inferior hypogastric plexus. Lymph drainage. Lymph drainage of the gland is the external and iliac lymph nodes. Thank you.